What do you think? Top 10 reasons somebody should come to the IP Institute. What would be number 10?
Number 10, anyone who's anyone will be there.
I like it. Anyone who's anyone, starting with Molly Beth Kachelski,
And
principal
you.
organizer of the IP Institute.
Exactly. What do you think number 9 is?
You know what really gets me excited, Molly, more than anything else? It is crowdsourcing of prior art searches. I mean, can you imagine the masses out there just going out and seeing if something's already been done and helping patent agents and attorneys figure it out? Crowdsourcing. So, Molly, number 8. Number 8 reason why somebody would come to our program.
To learn how not to commit malpractice.
Not to commit, that's important.
Not to commit.
Not to commit malpractice, I like it.
What do you think number 7 is?
Well, Molly, you know what? I am old enough to remember when the internet was new and everybody thought they'd make $1 billion on something that could make $0. And now it's all about mobile apps. You can get a mobile app to change the world. So we're going to focus on what does it take to upload something into the iOS platform versus the Android platform. Mobile apps. So Molly, on the 6th day of Christmas, what does the Rocky Mountain IP Institute bring to us?
The federal judges, and we'll hear directly from the federal judges as to what they think about juries and technology cases. So Nate, we've reached the halfway point of our top 10 list. Number 5.
Number 5 would be we're not really going away from patent trolls, but we're coming to copyright trolls, predatory enforcement of copyright law.
Should be interesting.
So Molly, we've made it 60% of the way through this list. We're up to number 4. What's number 4? Why should somebody come to the IP Institute?
Did we mention the wine and beer tasting?
I think that was number 1.
So Nate, number 3.
It's Colorado, Molly. What is everybody talking about? They're talking about one thing. They're talking about our newest green crop. Can you actually patent marijuana varietals or recipes or whatever the heck you call them? We're talking about that. Come.
Yep.
So Molly, we're up to number 2. First thing though is, how did I end up with the candy, which I don't like, and you ended up with the Broncos?
I don't know.
Let's straighten that out. Number
Okay.
2, IP Institute. Why should people come?
We are going to be discussing all of the new PTAB procedures, statistics, opinions, advice about how to do things and best practices.
I think on Wall Street they call it rich data, and you're not supposed to have it.
I think so.
Come. Molly, it's 5 o'clock. It's Friday. You got to get this show on the road.
All right, Nate, give us our number 1 reason to attend the Rocky Mountain IP Institute.
Number 1 reason this year has to be the number 1 reason every year. We have 4 simultaneous tracks of programming. We have speakers from not every state, but virtually every state, sea to shining shore. We have 41 breakout sessions. We have 83 speakers. We have the joviality of the Colorado IT community. We have beer, we have wine, we have cupcakes, we have ice cream. We have more learning in the thimble of 2 days than you can get anywhere else in the universe. And that is the number 1 reason for coming to the